Do you hate seeing that green dot next to your name? It tells everyone you're online, which puts pressure on you to reply to DMs instantly. If you want to scroll in peace without anyone knowing you're active, here's how to turn on ghost mode in seconds. First, open up Instagram and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the 3 lines in the top right. Scroll down until you see the section called How Others Can Interact with You. And now, tap on Messages and Story Replies. From here, click on Show Activity Status. Now, before you toggle this off, there is one catch you need to know. When you turn off your active status, you won't be able to see when other people are active either. It's a fair trade for privacy. Go ahead and toggle that switch to off. And just like that, you're invisible. Ever wonder who reposted your Instagram post? Check this video now.